The alcohol and drug pre-qualification checklist is designed to help obtain, complete, and record DOT and company-required information for new hires. We have two options in how we edit this information. We can edit the entire list at once, or edit items individually, which can allow for more specific notes. Let's see how we do that. When we are looking at a specific employee's alcohol and drug tab, we can scroll down to the pre-qualification checklist. Let's start by selecting Edit All. This will pull out a flyout from the right. On this page, we can toggle whether a specific item is applicable or not. If this toggle is grayed out, this means that a system administrator has set this item as required. We can also enter in our date manually or by selecting the calendar icon to find the date. We can also update the status, which can be selected through the drop-down menu. At the bottom, there is a red Clear All Data button. Selecting this will delete both the status and the due date for the entire list, as well as any attachments. Once we select Save, we can see in green that the information has been successfully input into the system. We can also update the checklist items individually. To do this, we are going to hover over the item and select the pencil icon. This will open another flyout where we can edit the info. Similarly to the Edit All option, we can toggle whether an item is applicable, enter or select the date, and change the status of this item. However, editing it like this gives us the ability to add in specific notes about the item in the Notes field. We can also select Save and Add Attachment. Here we can quickly drag and drop a file specific to this item or browse through your device. Selecting Close will update this checklist item. There may also be situations where a checklist item might not be applicable to an entire group of employees, and instead only an individual. The Add New option is available at the top of the checklist to add a single item for an individual employee. Let's select Add New. This will create another flyout. On here, we can see a drop-down menu that has any existing checklist items that have not been assigned to this driver's job class. Select the item and the date required. We can change the status and add any additional notes as needed. In green, we can now see that this has been added to our pre-qualification checklist. Please let us know how you are taking advantage of this feature in the Encompass program.